Hey guys, it's been a very long time since we've done a video of the dishwasher. I think it's about time. That we do another video. I'll skip cleaning this brown and filter. But yeah, it's just a small load today, nothing too big. If you're wondering why I don't put a cutlery basket or wash any cutlery in it, it's actually because it takes too much space, believe it or not. Often we have lots of pots, pans and all that. But this pan is not dishwasher safe, so I can't put that in. But this is all I really have to wash today. Not much, but you know, wondering where to show you the fridge as well. I'll be loading that up very soon. It's in my room. Pretty sure it's just finished running. Oh. It's a rainy day outside today, as you can probably see. There's the ice cube. Very cold inside. Yeah, so it's proper cold. My new light is up there. Well, it's not new. There it is. I brought some drinks to get in and a few things, but I'm doing that at 6. Right now it's 23 past 5. Yeah, that's where it is. It's just in snow in there. So yeah, I'm gonna get dishwasher cleaned, and so I'll be back once I have it all cleaned up. You know, I just want to find a clean spot. Alright, I'll be back soon, guys. Alright guys, so I've cleaned everything. Now time to check the sprouts and then load the tablet. I'm going to preset the cycle. And it's going to be, like always, the normal arrangement. Which is obviously the auto normal 55. Which is alright if you don't ask me. Set it up somewhere. Hopefully you can see it. I'm sorry if you can't, but if you can, then that's good. I'm just going to check sperms now. That one seems to be spinning freely. That one also spins freely. Alright, that's it then. That's clicked in, good. Actually, double check. Yeah, now it's clicked in. And away we go. Well, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Comment if you want to. And share if you want. Until next time. Stay cool, my lads. There'll be a separate video of loading up the fridge. So be tuned for that. Because, well, it'll be at 6. Don't know what time it is for you guys in Britain, but here it'll be at 6 that we do it. So yeah. And the time I'm uploading this is 6, so straight away I will make a video.